So this page has our vocabulary words on it. At the top they're in English and the bottom in Spanish. And there's some pictures to help you out. I'm going to read the words across the way and you can follow along with me. Temperature, thermometer, cool, rain, weather, warm, rainbow, clouds. Those are our vocabulary words that we are going to be looking at. Have a look at the pictures and see if you can find them. Temperature. If you look at the picture of the world, can you see it? It shows you all the countries in the middle are in red colours, so they are hotter. And the further north and south, top to bottom you go, they get colder. A thermometer is that big thing at the side that measures the number of what it is on the day. And if you look at this one, if you read all the way up to the red, it stops at the number 30. This one is 30 degrees. Cool is another word for cold. And that poor man at the bottom of the page is going, brrr, it's cold. Rain, rain. Weather, all types of weather. The sun, the clouds, the rain, the hail, the sleet, all of that is weather. Warm. The sun's out, it's warm. Rainbow. You can see the picture of the rainbow at the bottom of the screen. And then clouds. Clouds is over there. You can see the clouds in the sky. Take a moment to look at these words. Try and sound them out. Clap them in syllables. Temperature, thermometer, cool, rain, weather, warm, rainbow, clouds. You can do what you've learned in your reading and your phonics, and you can use it when you're practicing your vocabulary words. Have fun!